Welcome back to another Koenig Care Minute. Big Dan Wilson alongside of Emily Harringa, and Emily is a marketing specialist for John Deere AMS. Emily, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Excellent. We're here at John Deere's booth here at Farm Science Review. Tell us a little bit about what we're looking at here behind us.
Well, some of the things that we brought with us here at Ohio Farm Science are some of the new technologies that we've been working on in the last year or so. We have myjohndeere.com, which is a new website that our customers can go look at. It's a single sign-on. It's a way to kind of optimize all of that information that can so easily get jumbled together. So things like passwords and email addresses and usernames, things like that. It's a toolbox for all the things that our growers are using to manage their operations and their fleet and weather information, things like that.
Emily, you know, one of the things that has made John Deere on the cutting edge of technology is this kind of precision agriculture and what it means to the consumer and to our farmer clients out there. It means time and it means money.
Absolutely. I mean, one of our primary focuses at John Deere AMS is increasing the efficiency of our growers. And so one of the products that we're talking about here today is John Deere Machine Sync, and that's a way that our customers are really optimizing during the harvest season, where they're taking their combine and their tractor, and so that tractor pulling the grain cart pulls right up beside the combine, and that combine is actually controlling the tractor. And so you get inexperienced operators, and it takes that worry away, and to make sure that they're not losing any of that yield that they work so hard to produce through the year.
You know, John Deere has done a great job of answering the call when it comes to consumers' needs, especially our farmer clients that are out there. This is just another one of those ways that they continue to improve in that kind of technology. What are some of the things that you're introducing besides that to some of the customers here at Farm Science Review?
Another product that we're talking about here is John Deere Remote Display Access that was just brought to our customers here this summer, and it's really enabling our remote support strategy, which also supports the John Deere Farm Site strategy, and that is what remote support is doing. Is it takes anyone who has remote support, and so we're looking at the John Deere 2630 display, which is in the vehicles, and then someone who has this activation can actually support someone who's in the cab of a piece of equipment if they're having any kind of trouble in the field. So they can see exactly on their PC or on any of their mobile devices, including telephone or cell phones, as well as iPads, things like that, and they can support those customers and those growers while they're in the field, saving them time, getting them back to work a whole lot faster.
You know, when you look at this kind of technology in the field, what were some of the responses that you're getting back from the farmers? What has it done for them?
It's saving them time, and time is something that everyone has the same amount, but none of us have enough of, and so they're very, very grateful that we're allowing them to get back to work faster and giving them more time in the field, and then increasing their quality of life. They can spend that extra time with their families and doing things like that.
You know, and this technology isn't something necessarily for those that are 20-something or younger. This is technology that we're seeing every demographic use and use efficiently and effectively.
Oh, absolutely. It's very intuitive software, and so it's someone that can get in there, and a lot of times it's just plug and play. With the assistance and the support of our John Deere dealerships, these folks can get up and running in really no time at all.
How long does it take to get this conversion done if a farmer or customer is looking for that?
It kind of depends on their level of experience and their comfortability level, but I mean, really no more than a day. And then of course we've got that support to keep them going once it is installed.
And Emily, more importantly, what's the return on the investment for our customers?
It's as much as they put into it, and so really it's something. It's an investment they're never going to regret.
You know, Emily, if they want more information, where do they go?
They can go to johndeere.com, and of course they can always go to any John Deere dealership. And
you can always check it out on the web at koenigequipment.com or our website, and we'll have a link to that. Emily, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And that's another Koenig Care Minute. We'll be back with more in Ohio Country Today right after this.